Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Today, our focus is on the explanation of upward and downward social mobility in society. Social mobility refers to a person's ability to move up or down the social class ladder. Upward social mobility means moving from a lower or middle social class tier to higher social class, while downward social mobility means moving from a higher social class to middle or the lower social class tier. Social mobility was studied by sociologists Petrim Sorokin, who argued that mobility is common in societies with open social stratification systems in which people can move between social classes based on their achieved statuses. Examples of upward social mobility include earning a higher income, leading to greater wealth, marriage, or educational attainment. A person can grow up in a lower income household, save money to start a small business, and eventually invest or expand their business to become a multi-millionaire. But not everyone has the same opportunities for upward social mobility. Factors like race, gender, access to education, family background, and others greatly influence opportunities. Examples of downward social mobility include the loss of employment, financial struggles, medical debt, or unexpected expenses, change in one's marital status, such as divorce or death of a partner, and medical or disability challenges. Professional athletes earn million-dollar salaries are at risk of downward social mobility after retirement from the sport. Losing their fortunes and savings due to bad investments, exploitation by their advisors, unwise financial decisions, and medical challenges related to their sport might lead them to debts. Sociologists point out that social mobility is not fair or equitable. Wealthier families provide their children with advantages by sending them to private elite schools, exposing them to their social networks, and passing down their wealth. Lower income families struggle to afford higher education. College students have to take on college loans, which can take a lifetime to pay off and prevent them from enjoying the benefits that come with home ownership. And that makes upward social mobility much more difficult. Discrimination and biases limit opportunities for marginalized groups. Sociologist Pierre Bourdieu wrote that social mobility is influenced not just by income and wealth, but also by social and cultural capital, which includes access to quality education, social connections, and access to cultural knowledge and behaviors associated with higher social class. Understanding the patterns of upward and downward social mobility helps us recognize the challenges people face when trying to improve their lives. It encourages critical thinking about how society unfairly creates barriers and opportunities. And it reminds us that success isn't just about individual effort. It's also about access to resources and opportunities. And this makes sociology fascinating, don't you think? Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to explore next. Let's keep the conversation going and our community growing. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.